It deposits lots of great sticks.
Good.
All right, Great Gorge Trail. 1.2 miles to Cucumber Falls, just along the trail. Wow. Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down there. We go in a couple hundred yards, then we peel down. Ah, check out all this. And here's the high bridge. We just crossed that. And we're going down Great Gorge for a couple hundred yards, then we'll peel down the path here and get to the Youghiogheny River down there, walking upstream towards Cucumber Falls. We're only going to go a little bit today. It's a 3-hour hike for me. It's not doable today with the amount of sunlight we got left. I'm not that fast. I just enjoy the walking in the uneven terrain along the river.